Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 super easy bean dips. A Trader Joe's copycat black bean chipotle dip, a super easy hummus, and an edamame guacamole. All right, well let's start with the black bean dip. First you're going to add your black beans, and ignore my finger. This is chilies and adobo, along with some of the chipotles and adobo, along with some of the sauce. Some tomato paste, garlic powder, ancho chili powder, or any chili powder that you have works. Apple cider vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons. Liquid smoke. This is why I chopped the end of my finger off. I'm not steady at all. And then I'll put the lid on and blend it up. You'll have to scrape the sides down a little because we didn't add oil to it. I don't like to add oils to my dips because usually the chips or the crackers have a lot of oil. So we don't need to add more oil. Dip 1, quick and easy. Let's taste it. Perfect. That was it. That's the black bean dip, black bean chipotle dip. If you've ever had is it a black bean chipotle dip at Trader Joe's? It tastes very similar to that, less processed, more fresh, but it is extremely good and super simple to make. For the second dip, we're gonna make an edamame guacamole. So we're gonna start by taking edamame, putting it into a high-speed blender or a food processor, again, whichever you have. I'm also gonna add 1 avocado. If you don't have avocado, you can definitely leave this out. It is not the base. It is just helping make it a little bit creamier. It's very difficult not having your index finger to do things.
How did that happen?
Well, you know, was not properly holding my knife or my food as I was chopping. They teach you to like curl your fingers under and chop, but I don't do that. I go like this and I chopped it right off. No. Easy. Oh. Lime juice. And we're going to blend this up. Now that it's all mixed up in the blender, we're gonna put it into our bowl so we can add the rest of the mixture into it. Mixture, toppings, not toppings, mixture. We are going to add cilantro, just like you would to any other guacamole, jalapeno, red onion, and a Roma tomato. And then we're gonna mix everything all up until it's well combined. Gonna top it with a little salt. And there you go. Super simple, super easy, super quick. Just what we like. That's dip number 2. 1 more. And for dip 3, it is not a dip, it is a hummus. A very garlicky hummus. You can make it less garlicky if you want. But I feel like everyone buys hummus at grocery stores still, and it's so easy to make and so much better. So I'm gonna show you a quick, simple, easy way to make it. We're gonna start with garbanzo beans or chickpeas, lemon juice. I'm doing 2 cloves of garlic, tahini. Again, this can also be made in a food processor. Some salt, and I have some water that I'll add in a little bit later. So let's get this mixed up. This looks pretty well blended, so I'm gonna turn it back on and dump my water in slowly just to make the hummus a little bit more smooth. And once you have this all blended up, you can always change the hummus up. You can add red bell pepper to it. You could add olives to it. You can add whatever you want to it. Hummus is so versatile. And just transfer it to a bowl or a dish or whatever you want to serve it in, or if you want to put it in the fridge for a bit and save it for later, put it in an airtight container. And there you have it, 3 super simple, easy bean dips. I know you can buy these at the store, but why do that when you can make them at home? They take less than 5 minutes and they're not filled with all that junk. So if you want to try these out, I'll have the full recipes listed below in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.